Hi, I'm Jake Sibley with CaliforniaPlants.org, and today I want to share with you the 5 key benefits to gardening with California native plants. Number 1. Save water. Once they are established, California native plants require little or no water beyond what they receive from natural rainfall. That's not only cheaper for you on your water bill, it's also good for your neighbors and the environment, because it reduces urban runoff and conserves one of our most precious natural resources. Number 2. Save time. Gardening with California native plants is just easier. As I mentioned, you don't have to water them very often, if at all. You don't have to spend time fertilizing them. And unlike a regular lawn or landscape, California natives require very little trimming, usually just once or twice a year. Number 3. Avoid chemicals. California native plants were living here long before we arrived, and they did so without any fertilizers or pesticides. In fact, most California natives will actually suffer if you fertilize them. So with native plants, you can save that money you would spend on chemicals or soil amendments. And of course, it's also healthier for the natural environment and for your community. Number 4. Attract wildlife. This is a big one. California birds and butterflies prefer to be around the native plants they use for food and shelter. Any garden can look great, but a garden that comes alive with birds, butterflies, honeybees, and all sorts of other critters brings a whole new dimension of excitement to the experience. Number 5. Get connected. When you plant California natives, even just one or two, you are creating a little island of natural habitat. Now keep in mind, the birds and butterflies that use your plants and the bees that pollinate them are all traveling by flight. So your little island is connected to your neighbor's native garden down the street, and then one in another neighborhood farther out, and then eventually to a state park or wilderness area. Birds and butterflies that migrate thousands of miles will rely on your backyard as a vital place to rest during their journey. So by planting just a few native plants, you are actively participating in a vast, thriving ecosystem, and you get to experience being connected not only to the plants and creatures in your garden, but to the greater community of natural areas and living things throughout our beautiful state. I hope after watching this video, you'll consider installing your own native plant garden. By doing so, you'll not only save time and money, but you'll get to enjoy a richer, livelier landscape that supports our natural ecosystem. Well, that's all for today. For CaliforniaPlants.org, I'm Jake Sibley. Thanks for watching. Stay green, and I'll see you next time.